Why my man right? I said, you like my hair? He was like, can I be honest? You already did that before. I said, okay, you come in the house with the same haircut every week, and I always say you look nice. Thank you, Anna Luisa, for providing me with these beautiful pieces. Ana Luisa has high quality, tarnish resistant jewelry starting at just $39.99. If you like to save 20%, use my discount code AMIARENEE 20. AMIARENEE 20. These are my older pieces from Ana Luisa. I absolutely love all of them. This ring I had for over a year. It has not turned. Colors, very beautiful. This ring I had for over 2 years and it has not turned. Colors, very beautiful. Still one of my favorite pieces. Then I have the herringbone set necklace and the bracelet. Sometimes I wear the bracelet as an anklet. Again, if you like to save 20%, use my discount code AMIARENEE 20.
Come on, boy. We'll go slow and high tempo, light and dark. Hold me hard and mellow. I'm seeing the pain, seeing the pleasure. Nobody but you, body but me, body but us, bodies together. I love to hold you close tonight and always. I love to wake up next to you. So we'll piss off the neighbors in the place that feels the tears, the place to lose your fears, yeah, reckless behavior, a place that is so pure, so dirty, yeah, in the bed all day, bed all day, bed all day, fucking you, body know, it's a paradise, and it's a war zone, it's a paradise. My enemy, my ally, prisoners. Then we're free, it's a thin line. I'm seeing the pain, seeing the pleasure. Nobody but you, body but me, body but us, bodies together. I love to hold you close tonight and all.
Hey y'all. As you saw, I just had date night with my man. I guess it wouldn't be date night because it was happy hour. But we went to raw sushi. We had a taste for sushi, and they have the best in our area that we have tried so far, and it was really good. We got like 3 different sushis and some fried shrimp, and I got a mango margarita. Oh, that thing was so good. Now I'm a little tired. It's Friday. As soon as I got off work, I went straight in the house, washed up, changed clothes, and went out to happy hour. Did I show y'all? I think I did come back and show y'all my hair when I finished it. So this is my hair, my sunflower. What do I call these? Sunflower braids. I have a tutorial on how I did these exact braids a couple months ago, or maybe it was last year. I love this blended hair for the summertime. All these different blondes is giving me fun summer look. I said, you know, I'm just such a little raw. Such a little old lady girl. I'm so freaking sleepy. It's only 7:45. It's 7:45 on a Friday, and I'm sitting here like ready to go fall asleep, watch some Dateline or something. I've been on a like weight loss journey. I'm tall. I'm 5'8", so you can't really tell. Y'all probably can't tell, but I can tell. the scale could tell. When I put my clothes on how they fit, that I've gained about 25-30 pounds within probably last year or so. Too much for me, and I'm not going up a size. And all these clothes I just brought, all my work clothes, my uniform, I'm not buying no large. I wear a size medium now. That's it. I'm not going no higher. So I've been working out a lot. I lost 5 pounds. I think I want to share with you guys what I've been eating and what I've been doing to lose my weight. But I want to make sure I get to my target goal, my weight goal. Then I will share it with you all. I don't want it to be like, oh, I lost 5 pounds and then I don't ever lose anything else after that. So I want to wait a month or two to make sure I'm losing the weight, I'm keeping the pounds off, and trying different meals. Oh my gosh, I'm in the parking lot. I did not know somebody was in the car beside me. Somebody in the car beside me, and I got my window cracked open. They probably all listen to what I'm saying. I don't know, whatever. But that's it. I think they listening to me. This car beside me, they keep opening up their door. I think they trying to eavesdrop and hear what I'm saying. Is my car? Let me roll my window out. The tent's so dark, I didn't even know somebody was in that car. I'm all running my mouth. They keep opening the door for her. Raw. The sushi was so freaking good. Oh, it was so good. Love that sushi. But, oh yeah, so why my man, right? After I did my hair, I said, you like my hair? He was like, can I be honest? You already did that before. I said, okay, you come in the house with the same haircut every week, and I always say you look nice. I got him. They got what you need, babe? Morning. Nino said good morning too. So today is the next day. Finished my hair last night. Just wanted to come and show y'all. I'm so freaking tired still. Fingers are burning. Get ready to dip my hair, put some mousse on it, and make my chai pudding for breakfast this week for work. And I think I'm gonna do overnight oatmeal. My alarm going off the house. Also, my journey that I'm on this summer, I have a bike. My mother left my bike here too, so I have 2 bikes downstairs, and bought a bike pump from Aldi's yesterday. I'm gonna go downstairs, put some air in the bikes, and hopefully this week I'll be able to ride it. Where I live at, it's been so hot. It was 103 degrees yesterday, so all week long it was like 100 and 100. That's why I decided to braid my hair. I wanted to wear my hair out like a wash and go, but it was too hot. I've been getting on a treadmill, doing ab workout on the floor, you know, crunches and scissor kicks and all that fun stuff. And I wanted to incorporate getting on a bike this week because I didn't want to get bored, because I get bored easily with working out. I'm gonna get ready. Dip my hair. This is an old Keurig machine we had. Pot. Don't use it for anything but for dipping my hair. Put the hot water in here. I'm gonna dip it, and this is the mousse that I'm going to use, and that is it. I got this from Giant. Oh, this tastes so freaking good. I'm trying to cut back on sugar, so this is gluten-free, vegan, keto-friendly, blueberry acai, natural flavors and everything, antioxidants, vitamins, and for the sugar, 3 grams of sugar. Really like this. Gonna keep buying more of these.
Oh, stop.
Refreshing conversations for the mind. As we stare, we both seek and hope to find real love purified. Use your
Hey y'all, so my overnight oats are done. I'm getting ready to show y'all, I think about 3 or 4 recipes you could do with the overnight oats. Pineapple chunks, strawberry chunks, blueberries, banana, and some almond butter. These are the jams I made last night, blueberry jam and the strawberry jam. So the first one I'm going to do is a almond butter and banana. This is the overnight oats, how they look after sitting in the refrigerator for 24 hours. Ooh, shit. Outside putting air in our tires, our bike tires. Haven't rode this bikes in years, so we had to put air in the tires. This little pump we got from Aldi's worked great, so we definitely could still use that for our car, so I'm gonna put that in the trunk. Bikes have been in the basement for some years, so I just got me a little bucket, some water and a rag. I'm gonna wipe the bikes off, and I think we're gonna try to do a little bike riding. Please don't let me scrape up my knees. Alright. So he already riding his little bike up and down the street. Let me wipe this off. It's real dusty because it's been in a storage. But I don't want to mess up the... Yeah. You gonna get your workout on? Hell yeah. Like, can the chain get wet? This is it. Okay. Alright. Poor little bike is dirty.
Out so damn quick. If you ain't getting fit.